sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad, pag-asa ng bayan. Landas, pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad, pag-asa ng bayan. Landas, pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat
ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo.
Season 2 here at City Arena. It's the main game of today's schedule. 15 under division between San Juan Ballers and JVM Training Camp. Now let us meet the starters first for San Juan Ballers. Starting player number 4, Rainer Aguero. Number 8, Clemente Basilio. 24, Christian Pagador. 42, Carl Pablo. And number 16, Lamarcus Bonatilio. And now for the JVM Training Camp. Starting player number 5, Nico Villanueva. 12, JP Ventura. 22, Tenelbert Gatella. 45, Prince Mendoza. And number 71, Luke De Guzman. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League. It's game time.
The final game of our 10-game schedule.
That's
dito
right.
sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. Live tayo dito sa loob ng City Arena in Santa Mesa, Manila. Under 15 Division, San Juan Ballers taking on JVM Training Camp. Baron Mercado, Eman Cabiles. And Eman, this is our last game for today.
Oh,
Talagang, eto na. Ito na yun talaga.
right. Wala na talagang susunod.
Wala na. Next week na.
Parang kulang pa.
Next week na yung
Right.
ibang basketball action. Again, San Juan Ballers, they are wearing their white jerseys. Meanwhile, itong JVM wearing yung kanilang purple.
Right.
Yeah, purple
Right.
jerseys. Naman on the other side, as Agloro fouled early. Again, under 15 after natin ng 9. 17, baba tayo dito sa gitna, under 15.
Yes.
No, a much. Usually, itong mga under 15, ito yung mga sobrang bibilis.
Right.
Yung talon kasi from under 13 to under 15, ang layo nung
Oo nga.
kanilang sagot doon or ng kanilang gap nung speed. Pero yun
Right.
nga, you're referring to something here.
Right. JP Ventura asked to take off his earring.
Oh, bawal yun.
Yes.
Yes.
And he should know that even before the start of the game.
Baka nakalimutan lang.
Yes. And
Na-
ang problema, parang hindi pa niya maalis. And yeah, he got pulled out of the game and his team. Well, we have to check it if it's an issue with the earring or if he got hit in the ear, no? Pero I think, oh yes, as his teammate is trying to take it off, no? To assist him in taking off that earring at nakascore na doon ang kanyang team na JVM. Oh,
What a move.
Yun
Just
lang.
too strong.
Everything but the shot, as well
Might
as
have,
that.
that
Yes.
didn't work. Could have
Right.
at least, muntik nang kumbaga how to get away on that last play. Pero yun nga, magkakaroon ulit sila ng pagkakataon dito. De Guzman is
What a
open
play.
here in the corner,
Kaya
pero
lang hindi
didikit
pa
sila sa
rin. Everything
ilalim.
but the shot pa rin. And what a outlet pass there.
Pablo, thought about that three, will pass it inside. Balik kay Pablo, attacks the rim, shoots and scores.
And good job by Pablo on the initial leak out, no? And to get that outlet pass.
Another steal, and that basket will drop
Right.
again.
Nice start here by San Juan, establishing themselves early, and right now they are implementing a full court press.
Guys in purple looking for answers, and that's a way to do it.
Right.
Traffic
First of all,
in.
press broken.
Oo, itong si, believe that is De Guzman. Luke De Guzman
Yeah.
scoring on that last play para dito sa JVM. I believe itong JVM, Eman, mga from Muntinlupa, Cavite area ito.
And Batangas.
And Batangas
Yes.
area, more on the south.
Yes.
Tapos itong San Juan, obviously.
Based on Baco. Oh, yes, San Juan.
Oo.
Well, JVM, a lot of them, well, the training camp, I believe, is held in Bacoor, no?
Yun din
Bacoor,
ang
Cavite. Yeah.
pagkakaalala ko, and yun nga, majority of the players are within dun sa area na yun, Muntinlupa, Batangas, Cavite. So two teams in different locations. So medyo merong home court feels itong San Juan being
Right.
the more near area
Oh,
dito
good.
sa ating home court.
First of all, good entry pass there. Excellent entry pass by Christian Pagador. Oh, no, check that. Yes, Christian Pagador. And that play was capped off by Agloro
Nice
underneath.
steal
And
on
here
the
is again.
side of Pagador. Ganda ng tapik. Couldn't finish. Everything but that steal, but they will have another opportunity on that basket. Habang sinasabi mo yung kanina, Eman, that was a clean swipe
Oo,
para
linis,
dito
no?
kay Pagador. On that last steal, 6-9 is the score. San Juan Ballers having a quick start here. 3-point lead with 6:35 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter.
That's right.
White shirts looking to answer, to look for answers again. Pagador has the ball with 10 seconds to go. Didiskarte sila dito, looking for that shot.
Oh.
A wild three-pointer!
Oh!
Prayer is answered right there. Nagulat ako sa bilis nung 3 points na yon.
A blessed Sunday indeed for Clemente Basinilio.
Oh.
That was almost a logo 3.
And they will force a steal on the other side. Then what a shot by Basinilio.
Right.
Ngayon, kailangan nilang maitawid ang bola dito to prevent an 8-second call at naging successful sila doon. Wrap around pass, that was too tight on that last possession. Turning around, 7 seconds to go. Will they get a bailout shot, I should say, on that last play?
Well, they got a bailout foul.
That's close.
Right.
That is close.
Right.
With 5 minutes 37 remaining, meron tayong timeout on the court. San Juan Ballers having a good start. 12-6 is the score. And this timeout is brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy and smile. .5:30 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. San Juan Ballers up by 6 points, but they will turn the ball over at bago pa sila makakuha ng opportunity to run, there was a foul called. 5:15 remaining. JVM training camp.
That's right.
Medyo didiskarte in this last play. Sends it in the corner. Thought about that 3. Swings it. Now decides to pull the trigger. Hits the front of the iron. Gets their own miss. Sayang yung pasa na yon. Cutting from the baseline. Will they salvage the possession? Yes, they do.
And that was a quick pass slash tip, no? By number 22 of JVM, Hendelbert Gatela.
Gatela with that last basket, pero on the other side, White Shirts are on the run. Nice pass on the left side, just couldn't hit the basket.
That's right, Moratilio. Yeah, disappointed that ball did not drop after he heard the whistle. Andun na yung quick release niya, kaya medyo malakas lang.
Usually kasi pag ganun, talagang mamadaliin mo na lang eh. Dahil meron kang nararamdaman na defender on your back.
I hope I am pronouncing his surname right. No, I just said Moratilio. It is because we are having a hard time reading the white font over the white background sa kanilang jerseys. And talking about the San Juan Ballers, and as well, we are also having a hard time reading the the surnames of the JVM Ballers with their dark blue font, cursive pa over. Over the deep purple background. But we'll do our best.
Yes. But that shot didn't go in on the side of JVM. Believe that was Villanueva who pulled the trigger.
I'm right, Moratilio. I am right. Ayan, nakatalikod siya sa atin. There you go. Ayan, buti lumapit. Yes.
Buti na lang. Ngayon, mako-confirm na natin.
Yes.
Villanueva asking for the ball. Kanina pa. Now he's in the
Pass
corner.
was late, yeah.
Defended here by Pagador. 3 seconds to go on the shot clock to beat the buzzer. Quick hit.
Yeah, he got it off in time. Another. Ooh.
Last second pass leaking out is Pagador all the way for 2.
Right.
Last second pass right there was read perfectly by the defense. 14-8 is the score. 3:40 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. So far, all San Juan. JVM looking for more opportunities. Traveling nga lang ay tinawag doon.
Right, Hendelbert Gatella lifting his pivot foot before attempting the dribble. No? And of course, our eagle-eyed officials will catch that one way or another.
10 games na sila pero on point pa rin yung kanilang mga pagtawag ng violations dito. Speaking of violations, etong mga nakaputi commits a turnover.
Right.
A foul was called on the side of San Juan Ballers.
Good recovery actually on the defensive side there by Frank Navasca. However, yeah, he got the body nitong si Marquise Torio.
Marquise Torio.
Marquise.
Yeah.
Important na important.
Ang ganda ng pangalan niya.
Euro na Euro. Yes.
Gets his own miss. Will attempt to shoot again, but that time it is erased.
Yon, clean na yung block na yon ni Frank Navasca.
Bumawi agad.
Right.
Nakamintis na ng 2 free throw, nakakuha pa ng block, kanila pa possession. Let's see if they can take advantage. Sends it out, thought about that 3. Will reset here with 5 to go.
Travel also.
Ooh, sayang. Had that shot earlier. Minsan, no, Eman, yung mga players, they have that open look. Pero nagkakaroon sila ng second thoughts on shooting that one. Baka akala nila medyo out of system play.
Right.
Yung kanilang pagtira. Pero
one-on-one.
Nagkakaroon ng problems on that one. Sayang yung opportunity that time. Another shot. Nice drop pass. And it's complete. Plus the basket and the foul.
But before that foul committed by Frank Navasca once more on the attempt that resulted to a 3-point play opportunity here for Marquise Torio again. No? Yung defensive stance twice that was put up by Agloro was outstanding. Pareho niya shut down the baseline on both sides. No? Pero yun nga, still the benefit of the play went to JVM.
Answering
there's Agloro.
Or San Juan Ballers, that is Reynel Agloro. Yan na. Yung kanyang efforts on the defense, rewarded on that putback. Second run in, that time didn't go.
That was the exact same defensive stance that he did earlier, and it is proving to be quite effective.
Kanina may foul, ngayon wala na eh.
Well,
and Agloro again. Second time, ang lalim ng diukot. What a shot by Reynel Agloro.
That was all upper body right there. Upper body strength.
On the side of the white shirts. Can they make it 6 points in a row? Yes, they do. After that smooth floater by Marcus Dar.
Right. Actually, natutuwa ako sa mga apelido ng San Juan Ballers. No? Mga pang-bida yung tunog eh. Marcus Dar. Diba? So yun nga, bida doon na JVM as they got another bucket.
Pang-bida yung tunog.
Yes. Basinilio, you got Moratillo, Guerrero, and then of course, Geronimo. Pag hindi mo naman bida yun, ewan ko na lang.
Kaya nga. Pangilinan.
Yes.
Oo, tama. Maganda na yung mga apelido nila dito. And hindi lang apelido ang maganda dito, yung performance din nila.
Of course.
Final 50 remaining years, 20-13 is the score. Sila ang didiskarte dito, Basinilio.
Here is the weave.
He receives the ball back with 8 seconds to go. Muntik nang mawala ang bola. Basinilio, nice drop pass.
What a
to
setup.
Reynel Agloro.
Clemente Basinilio drawing the defense and giving Agloro another opportunity at the basket. However, on the other end, it was Basinilio also who committed that foul. Nagbigay pa ng 3-point play opportunity para dito kay Ventura.
Okay na sana eh.
Yes.
Para kay
pinupuri niya.
For Basinilio, kaso natawagan ng foul. Ventura at the line. Shooting the bonus, alam niyang Mintes. Attempted to get the ball back. balik ang bola dito sa San Juan. Charles Eva
Yes.
is in here for the
Yes,
white
that,
shirts.
that pass was not on point. Nakita ko, partner, no? Before i-release ni Charles Eva yung pass na yon, which was basically a lob, a go-ahead lob pass, yung bangs niya tumakip sa kaliwang mata niya.
Kaya baka hindi niya nakita.
Oo.
Ito, kitang-kita.
Yeah.
On the side of JVM, yun nga lang, hindi nila na-convert yung previous basket right there. That is Marcus Torio.
Right, so back at the line, siya yung pinakasuki dito, no, sa free throw line.
So far.
Si Marcus Torio, as he is the most aggressive, arguably, on the side of JVM inside the paint.
Ito, babawi on that putback. Sayang.
Oh, 3 white shirts fighting for the ball that time. Hindi nagkaamo yan. Ika nga nila.
Maybe a bit too aggressive on that rebound. Yun nga, 3 white shirts playing for that possession. Makukuha ba nila ang possession dito? Yes, they do.
And there,
Agloro with 2 seconds to go. Sabi ni Agloro, huwag na nating itira. Lamang naman tayo ng 6, di naman mawawala yan. And a good start for Rainiel Agloro. He's been doing it all para dito sa San Juan on the defense. And of course, yung kanyang napakagandang dukot on that left side kanina. 6-point lead for San Juan, JVM. Marami pang oras dito para makahabol. And we will see that when we return. From the tip off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal.
Right.
Whether you're enjoying the game, this is Chef's Magic.
Right.
Ating quarter stealer.
Mm-hmm.
No, Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment.
And yeah, parang yung masayang pamilya na yun na nabigyan ng Chef's Magic dito sa ating venue, no? In relation to that, shoutout nga sa St. Scholastica College under 14 volleyball, well, the Scions volleyball team, there you go, not just under 14, the Science volleyball team for winning their first game in Palarong, Maynila yesterday. There you go. And ilang beses ko na binabati itong Saints ko, Scions volleyball team, no? And last time, I greeted the dads. So ngayon, moms naman. Good evening to Audrey, Ruby, Ems, Anna, Ella, Camille, Lorena, Hatsumi, Pat, and of course, Mommy Dionisha. There you go. Congratulations. Ang saya namin yesterday after, the Scions got their first win in Palarong, Maynila.
Kaya pala, yung pala ang isinisingit mo.
Ay, wait. Speaking of seeing it, si Daddy Mark at si Daddy Raymond, pati na rin si... Ayan, that's it. Oh, wait. No, Daddy Angelo. There you go. Daddy Angelo. Hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan si Mike Angelo, no? Yeah. Kasi hindi ko sila nasama last time.
Kaya ni-remind ka.
Right.
Na isama
of course.
ngayon.
Yes, of course. Good evening and congratulations sa atin. Sa atin eh. No? Sa lahat.
Sino ba yung naglalaro doon? Bakit talagang...
Na-mention ko na yung names nila. Of course, our daughters.
Yan ang hinahanap ko.
Hindi, na-mention ko na yun eh. Okay na.
I-mention mo ulit.
Okay na yung moms and dads. Yung coaches na lang. Yeah, good evening to Coach Pinks and Coach Daisy. Good job yesterday.
And... yeah, we go back to the game as JVM training camp gets that steal. Balik tayo dito sa action, no, sa loob ng City Arena. Ganun-ganun lang. No, after natin ng konting batian, balik tayo sa action.
At parang sinadya, no? Ang tagal in-inbound ng bola. Thank you, refs.
Kaya nga. So hindi lang players ang nakakarinig sa atin, pati yung mga referees.
Yes.
No?
Parang binigyan ako ng cue.
Oo, na parang ito na talaga yung tamang time para pasalamatan mo yung mga sumusuporta, of course, dun sa school ng daughter mo. But regardless of which...
I think that was an inbound violation.
Was
I'm surprised that our referee didn't call that because Pangilinan passed the ball with 1 foot out of bounds and 1 foot inbounds.
Oh, kaya napaano ka.
Right.
I didn't see it though because it happened so quick.
Yes.
Kasi siguro inalis agad.
Well, he never lifted up one of his feet, no? One of his foot. Feet, tama. One of his feet. Lalo na yung nasa loob, dapat iaangat mo yun eh. Pero he passed the ball with both feet planted.
Pero ito, another steal on the side of JVM, having a good start so far in the second quarter. And as I say that, nagmintis yung kanilang layup. And they commit a turnover, pero mare-recover.
Oh, good recovery.
Hustle.
Yes, on the defensive end there.
Helter-skelter as we start off the second quarter. That drive completed. +1.
And finally, again, well, no, not Mark. JP Ventura will not be denied on that last attempt. Pero again, going back to that chase down block here by number 21, Roniel Ravelo of San Juan. That was outstanding recovery to block that shot.
Yung kaninang naisip ko sana could have done better on the side of JVM. Wait for him to fly by. That could have been a good option, but regardless of which, dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan dito.
The thing is, yung ginawa ni Ravelo na yun, he came out of nowhere eh. Kaya hindi akalain nung offensive player na may sasabay pa sa kanya.
Speaking of Ravelo, he hit the deck hard.
Yes, and
he was the last guy on this white shirts team to go back on the offensive side, I should say. Took his time. Pagdating ng ball, pag-atake ng JVM, tayo siya bigla eh. Only 2 points separates these two teams, 7:50 remaining sa ating second quarter.
Yes, Roniel Ravelo is actually still holding on to his hip, no? At naagawan na naman sila.
Yun na naman yung titig sa defender. Yes. Dire-diretso yung layup right there.
Prince Mendoza.
Oh, Prince Mendoza. Oh. Anong sapatos ulit yan? Is that UNESCO's?
By whom?
Ito, si Mendoza.
And his number
45.
is 45.
Pink yung sapatos.
Oh, that's Aja ones.
Oh, Aja ones. Okay. So
Aja or Aja.
Okay, yun lang ang kinlarify ko doon kasi nakascore. On the other side, itong si Mendoza, pero there's a timeout called on the floor. 7:36 remaining. Tied at 24, and it's brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy and smile. Off that timeout, turnover on the side of JVM. Kaso, they were hoping for that block to be clean. Kaso, referee saw an arm in there. Kaya will shoot 2 free throws again is Carl Pablo.
Yes, and Carl Pablo, good job on getting into the body of the defender. No, even alam niya na naaabutin siya, but because he got the defender off balance, he got the benefit of the call.
Pablo will sink the second free throw. Kanila pa rin ang kalamangan dito. Tatawagan naman ng traveling on the other side. Itong si Prince Mendoza who's wearing Aja ones.
Yes, and Prince Mendoza, no, well, the entire team of JVM on the floor right now, they have to communicate better if they want to try and break that press being implemented by San Juan.
They have a good start dito sa ating second quarter from a 6-point lead. Isa na lamang ito. They have an opportunity to take the lead back and no good. Follow-up is in and finally, I believe for the first time in this game, lumamang itong JVM.
That's right. And if they did not get a bucket in that last play, yeah, magre-reklamo yung coach nila nun because that was a 4-on-1 opportunity. In the meantime,
Carl Pablo went everywhere on that
Right.
court. Had some struggles handling the ball, pero ang importante, na-shoot naman niya.
yes. And Carl Pablo, yeah, never mind the number of defenders in front of him. He eluded them all to get that bucket to go.
Oh, that sequence was wild. He was on that right wing. Struggled a bit, not a
Right.
bit, really struggled handling that rock until mapunta siya dun sa bandang gitna at ginamit na lang
Right.
yung board.
Right. I mean, there was a crossover, there was a spin move. Ang daming elemento para makakuha ng 2 points.
Eto, just needing a screen for a 3, didn't get
good
it.
timing there by is that Mazo?
Pero ito si Pablo
Lazo, rather.
using that
Oh.
Pinoy step, signaling that basket should count. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin itong si Pablo.
Right, catching a spark here in the second period. Yeah, Carl Pablo of San Juan making things happen.
Nakita na nilang nawala sa kanila ang kalamangan. Itong si Pablo doing a good job helping his team to respond. That is 5 quick para dito kay Carl Pablo in the second quarter, at least on my count.
Right.
On the side of JVM, again, total team effort on their side. Nakuha na nila yung kalamangan.
And
That could
yes,
bring that could start a run para sa kanila and start believing na talagang kaya natin dito.
right. And Coach Miguel of JVM barking instructions here against for Gatela. And I think, yeah, you can see the frustration on Coach's face.
Kasi that open shot naman on that middle, but decides
nasa gitna na siya.
Oo, pass it. Wala siyang bantay doon, if I'm
Yeah.
not mistaken. Ang bantay
Oh.
nandun sa kanyang kakampi.
Oh,
Better
that
defense.
was checked.
Oo.
Right.
Bantay sarado, I believe.
Carl Pablo trying the wide Euro that time, but yeah, Luke de Guzman just denying access.
We'll have a crack. Pablo who's playing well dito sa ating second quarter. The player who played well ay itong si
Oh.
Agloro
There's another block.
inside.
Yeah.
So defense starting to ramp up. Nice wrap around. And that drops in. That's Miko Guerrero
Right.
scoring that one plus the basket and the foul.
Even if
Or
Agloro,
I should say that's Dave Lazo.
oh yeah, Dave Lazo, and even if Agloro wasn't really involved in that play, no, parang mas inaabangan siya nung depensa
Oo.
ng JVM, and that allowed his teammates to get the beelines to the basket.
Kasi he has done a lot of damage on the
Right.
first quarter. Kaya talagang ang depensa nakafocus sa kanya.
Oh.
Mendoza, nice drop off, and it is
Right.
successfully received on the side of JVM.
I was about to say that pass was late because tumigil na sa pagtakbo yung dalawang kakampi niya doon. However, the defense was poor. Very good. The transitions defense was poor on the side of San Juan.
Again, this under 15 matchup, ito talaga yung brand of basketball in this under 15 talagang sobrang bibilis. Kumbaga, think of under 13 times 2.
Right.
Ganun yung action dito. Kaya we are seeing helter-skelter basketball.
Oh,
Magugulat
what
na
a
lang
pass.
tayo.
Extra!
Yung mga ganung plays really caught us by surprise and tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Itong si Rainiel Agloro providing some points. Mendoza breaks free. Couldn't hit the basket. Opportunity one more time. Too strong. Third time's the charm. Para ba dito sa San Juan? We'll have another crack. Mendoza. That time it goes in. Third time is really a charm. Para dito sa JVM. That is Luke de Guzman completing that play.
Luke de Guzman obliging on that bullet pass by Prince Mendoza inside. And yes, may kasama pang foul yun.
34-31. Kanina nakakuha na ng kalamangan itong JVM. Now just in a striking distance.
Right.
Which is a good job para sa kanila. Not letting itong San Juan Ballers to really continue yung kanilang magandang performance. Then that spin.
Right.
Had that good look itong si Pagador pero natulak sa likod.
Nagulat ako sa bilis nung to try and execute a spin while running at breakneck speed, no? You really gotta have good footwork and body control, pero yun nga, may tulak na inabot doon si Pagador because he was trying to go in between two defenders.
Kung hindi siya natulak doon, that is an easy 2.
Right.
I believe para dito kay Christian Pagador.
Or sumobra.
Yun lang naman yun eh.
I actually wanted to see kung paano niya marirelease yun sa bilis ng pangyayari.
Pero regardless of which, nakapuntos naman siya doon. Yun nga lang, split yung kanyang trip dito. 35-30 is the score. JVM training camp. Susubukan pa rin humabol dito. Prince Mendoza attacks, shovel pass. At De Guzman again will shoot 2 free throws. So far, last 2 plays, De Guzman, Mendoza, sila yung nagiging focal point of this offense.
Yes. And Prince Mendoza continuing an outstanding job finding his bigs, inside, right in the right where they are in a very good position to score.
And that's a good strategy para dito sa JVM. Though mintis yung free throw, getting some foul trouble dito kay Agloro.
Yes.
Tsaka dito kay Dave Lazo who made the last play.
Right.
Kumbaga, inuunti-unti nila yung bigs dito
Oh.
para mas maka-operate sila down low.
Oh.
Missing both
Quick
free
passing,
throws.
however, yeah.
Bilis ng pasa, bilis din ng agaw. Dito sa JVM, 2 minutes 45 remaining. Mendoza loves that extra pass. Kaso nga lang, mintis yung follow-up or yung pasa doon for the shot.
Yes, maniningal si Prince Mendoza ng mga assist na dapat na-award na sa kanya.
Kaya nga. Kumbaga may pang-highlight na nawala pa eh.
Oh, that was a point-blank miss, no?
35-30, 2:30 remaining penalty situation. So itong JVM, they should not foul here from this moment on dahil free throws na para dito sa San Juan.
And this will relax San Juan a little bit actually, knowing that whenever JVM will commit another foul, they will have a trip to the line. At relax na relax. Yung free throws na yun.
Marcos Dar.
Marcos Dar. Love the name.
Scoring that free throw, making them pay. Ito, open 3. Just hit or graze the net.
Right.
Ito sa JVM. So, kanina, sabi ko, Eman, medyo dikit lang. Ngayon, lumalayo na. Nagiging 7 na. I believe the largest lead of the game was at 6. Kanina, now it's at 7. So, let's see how will this JVM training camp respond. And they will respond with a good steal.
Oh, too late of a pass there.
Nalito,
trying to get fancy.
Nalito if ibibigay ba sa gitna or kay Mendoza on the left side. Ito, another opportunity for them, pero the hustle by Marcos Dar, not letting it in, that drop pass.
Right.
So medyo napapadalas na yung drop passing.
Yes. And one key here, you mentioned earlier na nakuha na ni JVM yung lamang on the early part of the second period, no? Pero, and that was when this guy, Reiniel Agloro, was on the bench. At yun nga, nung kakapasok lang niya just a few minutes ago. However, Prince Mendoza continuing his stellar play here at knocking down that corner 3.
That time, hindi niya na pinasa yun. Muntik na mag-turnover.
That was a travel.
A travel. Nagbanggaan, dalawang magkakampi doon.
Medyo na-delay lang ng konti yung whistle, and that is understandable because this is our official 10th game. No? Bigyan naman natin ng konting leeway.
Pero that was the right call.
Yes, it was the exact call.
Tempting for back-to-back hits. Mintis yun para dito kay Wade De Patillo. On the other side, quick basket. That is just that quick. Mabilis lang yung possession doon.
The corkscrew layup did not bounce in.
Agloro attempted that steal but just too long.
And you're correct. Dinaan sa haba ng bias, no? At hindi na naabot ni Agloro.
Speaking of haba ng bias, they get another steal. Mendoza.
That was a poor fast break. Play by JVM. That was 3 against 1.
Kung merong time na merong drop pass dun yun.
Right.
Pero on the other side, San Juan Ballers, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang puntos. 39-35. Ventura Again, attempting to make that use nung long legs niya.
Right.
Nung making that space. Kaso
However,
nga lang, Lazo was available.
Oh, tsaka he wasn't able to hold on to the ball on that Derrick Rose-like step. Oh, underneath.
Agloro
you will
just
not stop
waiting.
him. Yes.
Waiting for the ball to get into him. Naka-establish na siya dun
Yes.
Waiting for the ball. Saktong-sakto. Good job by San Juan on that last play, and that will end our first half, 41-35. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan Ballers. JVM will have more opportunities and also for San Juan to keep this game away. Lahat ng yan and more dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2. From the tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment.
Oh, di ba? Even at 9:30 p.m., may napapasaya pa rin tayong pamilya because of Chef's Magic.
Oo, talagang naubos na yung
Right.
ating mga pinamimigay dito sa Chef's Magic, pero hindi pa rin nauubos ang opensa at depensa nitong
Right.
San Juan Ballers. Largest lead of the game so far right now is at 8 points. Nice find.
Travel call.
Yun ang inaantay nilang flyby, kaso napasabay yung
Right.
hakbang doon for JVM.
It was actually, you would at first glance, para siyang yung regular na Pinoy step lang or the Euro step. However, our officials thought that yung gather was early. So that would make it 3 steps kung maaga mong ginather yung bola.
Nawala yung gather step na
Yes.
sinasabi nila. Ayun,
Yes.
Mendoza starting to be a spark once again para dito sa JVM. Nice hustle by his teammates right there. Mendoza,
Again,
pass was too tight, waiting for that spin.
oh, good cut.
Nice give and go play, and that makes it back to back.
Excellent dive cut right there by Luke de Guzman, filling in, sawing the gap and filling it.
Ooh, but on the other side, napakaganda
Oo.
rin ang responde for San Juan Ballers.
Yun yung sakto na Pinoy step ni Guerrero, no?
Malinis
Yes,
malinis yung
malinis.
kanyang pagka-Pinoy. Kumbaga Pinoy na Pinoy. Yung kanyang Pinoy step. Prince Mendoza sends it in the corner. A 3.
Short.
That is short. But that is the right play on that possession,
Oh.
Eman. No, that drive and kick from that corner. Talagang hindi lang pumasok yung 3-point attempt.
However, Charles Eva losing the ball to the sideline again. His vision was impaired. Lalo na yung peripheral.
Oo. Fake that 3, Mendoza. Early moments. Thought about that shot. Will give it inside. Ang gandang pasa. Missing that time. Opportunity one more time. A lot of time on the shot clock. Pero tatakbo na dito
Right.
ang San Juan. Nice pass. Jumper won't
Yes,
go.
that pass was actually late, partner. No, I have to say that. Wala nang buwelo ng kakampi mo when and he had no room to operate anymore. That's why Janziel Rotor had to settle for the baseline jumper as opposed to a layup.
But that time, a beautiful 3-man passing
Yan.
on the side of JVM.
Yun, sakto naman yun.
Walang pangit at late doon. Talagang saktong-sakto. Just a 4-point lead here. San Juan Ballers having some difficulty on their offense kahit dun sa follow-up na yun. And they will turn the ball over. Ramdam natin dito yung energy ng JVM. Mendoza breaks free. Follow-up is in. Lead is suddenly down to 2 points after the Villanueva follow-up.
The trail job by the guy Nicole Villanueva of JVM, and on the other end,
Luke
fully rejected.
Erasing that shot. That 8-point lead is now history. Only 2 ang hihahabulin dito ng JVM. Kaya itong San Juan Ballers calls for time. 7:05 remaining. And it's brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy and smile.
They're not looking for inside anymore. Who's that guy? Agloro.
to 43, 7:05 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. San Juan Ballers having some struggles, but not that time of the timeout. That was a biglang perfect execution naman for San Juan.
Carl Pablo, nothing but bottom. Sabi niya sa'yo, anong trouble?
Oh, look at that jelly layup para dito kay JP Ventura, I should say.
And JP Ventura just, he now knows what to do whenever Agloro is in front of him. Keep the ball high.
Pablo again. Couldn't hit it on that second attempt from deep. He discarded. That was a forced shot.
Yes.
On the side of San Juan.
Poor decision on the part of Allen Sampaga.
That time, Ventura goes back to back. Dribbling exhibition, doing behind his back, then finding an open lane.
And Ventura is definitely activated. And I mentioned this during the timeout, partner. San Juan right now is actually failing to find their big guy inside who was dominating early on in this game, though. And they haven't gotten back to passing the ball to Agloro.
Kumbaga, kay Agloro kasi nagsimula yung pagluwag ng depensa para dito sa JVM. Doon nakakaskor itong sila Pablo.
Yes. Actually, that when Agloro is demanding the ball as a block, no, it opens up a lot of lanes for Pablo to go through.
Itong sila Eva, sila Dar, kanina, no? Itong performance ni Agloro, talagang attracting the defense. Kasi yung mga ibang guards nitong JVM will be tempted to draw a double team pag andun siya sa ilalim. And let's see now, kanilang possession dito, 5:20 remaining. Pablo attempted for that swing pass. Another steal here, running start for JVM, only down by 1 for the lead. Yes, sir!
That was a perfectly timed pass.
Agloro will save it. Nice hustle right there para kay Dave Lazo. And a foul was called by our referees. Gawla, give credit kay Lazo. Nandito lang siya sa atin. Right in front of us on that left wing. Tapos biglang sprint doon sa corner on the right side.
He tracked that pass by Agloro, which was not really on point, no? Because he was in trouble, falling out of balance.
Out of balance. No choice na si Agloro doon, kundi matatawanan siya ng backcourt
Right.
Let's see how will this San Juan Ballers take advantage of the effort ito ni Lazo. Fakes that one. Lefty jumper. Too strong. Sayang yun.
And I hope Navasca is all right after missing that jumper completely because he is holding on to his knee.
Pero ngayon, medyo okay na siya dito. No, looking to be fine.
Right.
And they get the steal. Pablo with a spin, won't go. And there he
Almost,
goes,
not quite. Oh, there you
Navasca.
go. What a play.
Extra pass is
Right.
good. The guy that started it all, Dave Lazo. Siya pala ang pupuntos dito para sa San Juan Ballers. Kaya naman ta-time out ang JVM training camp dito. 4:08 remaining. And this is brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp, Enjoy and Smile.
Okay, ito na naman. Ito ba yung umpisa na nakatambak? Kala natin mabilis matatapos.
Hindi ko kasalanan.
Although okay lang. Hindi ako kasing pagod katulad ng last time. Kasi,
Yung mga bata,
umpisa na pala eh. Kaya lalo na yung mga bata pa.
tawanan lang.
Nakupitan na. Ang cute naman kasi talaga.
A 1-point lead by San Juan Ballers. 50-49. Final 4 minutes dito sa ating third quarter. Inbound by JVM. Ball will not be rescued that time. Pablo ran out of real estate. JVM will make an attempt again to start off the play. Full court pressure on the side of San Juan. Quick response. Ventura reverse. No good.
Right. Excellent defense right there by Dave Lazo.
Siya na naman yung involved on that play. Pablo on the offense.
Almost.
Tatawagan tuloy ng foul on that rebound attempt.
Ang ganda ng lefty release ni Carl Pablo, no? And nag-bounce out yung ball. He actually checked the ring, no? Itong ring na to.
Mendoza takes it
there you
on
go.
himself.
Oh, yun lang. Walang problema yung ring. And Mendoza loses one of his age of ones in the process.
Oh, look at that hustle play. Not giving up. Itong si
Right.
Villanueva. Nawala yung sapatos ng kakampi ko. Teka lang.
Oh.
Ayusin mo muna yan.
Yes.
Prince Mendoza.
And again, that time poor decision on the part of Pablo. They had a 2 against 1 there, and the big guy is right behind him. Decided to take it by himself. Was not aware na yung depensa was near him.
2:40 remaining.
there it is.
There you go.
There you go. That's
Yun
how
ang
you
hinahanap
get.
mo.
Yes.
Right on cue.
Because the defense is already gravitating to him, no? So of course, ibig sabihin nun, meron siyang libreng kakampi.
Speaking of libre, Ventura was open on the
Yes.
left side. Poor opportunity right there. Ito, makukuha na ni Ventura. Yan dapat daw, sabi ni JP.
Right.
Dapat akin yun kanina eh.
Right, at ito namang si Dave Lazo, good job and great effort to get that rebound. However, yun nga, naipasa niya kay Ventura, and at the same time, he was complaining to the refs na may tumama daw sa ulo niya. But we have a stoppage here.
Oh, referees calling a technical foul. Biglang nagsisignal ng technical foul yung referees natin as they are approaching dun sa committee's table.
Yeah, and I think somebody is actually complaining at the committee's table, no?
Was not really sure
That
what
is-
happened.
I'm not sure if that lady is part of the team admin or management. But
Maybe a parent.
maybe a parent concerned na may tumama sa, because who's the guy sitting? Oh, the guy sitting there is from San Juan. That's Moratillo. Right.
And here we go. We're starting to get
Right.
a bit serious here. Pero yun nga, the parent nagre-reklamo as that uniform.
Right.
Same as the coaches nitong San Juan.
Right. And no, the parent is actually wearing a JVM
A JVM, I should
uniform
say.
and talking to Moratillo of San Juan.
Ooh.
And yeah, there was a So it was, the technical foul was against JVM.
Oo.
That's definite because the San Juan attempted a technical free throw. And the play continues and they're still discussing there on the sideline.
And as that is happening, balik tayo dito sa loob. 53 all is the score. A minute 55 remaining. Second chance points and that drops in. San Juan Ballers regaining the lead.
But what's happening on the sideline of JVM could be a vital distraction for their team. So they have to rectify whatever issue they're having quickly and just focus back on the game.
And that shot goes in. And not only that, Eman, yung momentum. Yun yung mahirap ma-sustain dito in this kind of ball game. Kaya yung mga distractions on the sideline. But that time, no distractions sa amin ni JP Ventura.
Yes, and no access as well.
Speaking of no access, Mendoza couldn't hit that open layup. Ito na, Pablo. Just a cakewalk.
Oh, are you kidding me? Carl Pablo.
Both players, kanina, ang ganda ng performance. Mendoza, Pablo, missing on those open shots. And finally,
why would he wait for the defense?
Ends right there, Luke de Guzman.
And here he is back once more.
Pablo. Already evading itong si JP Ventura.
Right. But yeah, in that last play, he was ahead of everybody. And I think right now he is experiencing cramps.
Could have been, or this is, again, this
we're
game.
We're only in the third period.
Kaya nga.
That was a good outlet pass. Well, yeah, at least 2 plays ago, that was a good outlet pass by Agloro. And Pablo was virtually all alone. We don't know if it's cramps, kung ba't hindi siya nagmadali na or your usual pace to get a layup off.
Usually,
or hinintay pa ba niya yung foul para magkaroon ng end one opportunity, but yet the result was he missed a almost a wide open layup, no?
Pero ngayon, nakikita natin dito si Pablo pinapagpag. That is cramps, I believe.
Yeah.
Kasi that was, to your point, Eman, that was not his pace.
Nope.
From the first to the early moments itong third quarter, Pablo, itong si Carl Pablo can really run.
Right.
Di ba kaya nakakagulat din na nagmintis? Di ba nagmintis na nga si Mendoza on that other side.
Yes.
Na ikinagulat din natin, itong si Pablo, nagmintis din.
Yes.
But he's just gonna get a little breather on the bench at alam nating babalik yan mamaya. But that free throw drops para dito kay Marcos Dar. Cutting the lead here to 1.57 to 46. Guys in blue, Ventura. Now starting to take over. Itong si JP dito.
Right.
Medyo na-figure out niya na kung paano nga atakihin itong si Agloro. Kanina nangangapa pa siya.
Yes. And Dave Lazo as well, no? And yeah, it was, naisip niya na, simple lang pala, I'll just put the ball up and let them try to reach it.
Kasi every time na aatakihin nila ako, when I am in the air, may foul yan.
Yes.
Most of the time.
Kung ibababa ko pa, doon ako naaagawan.
And he makes both free throws.
Right. He definitely finding his stride at the most opportune time here. Itong si JP Ventura. And quietly taking control of this game for his team.
So a tough task right now for San Juan Ballers. Wala si Pablo, experiencing cramps.
Again.
Kanina, that play in the first quarter would have worked.
Yes, but that pass was late once more.
Again, this momentum thing, not in favor of San Juan so far.
Yes, and here is again.
Ventura now, this time he does that drop passing.
Right.
Nice point right there, nice basket on the side of JVM.
Oh, too high.
Balik ang bola dito sa San Juan.
Kanina yung pasa, late yun naman, early.
Oo.
But I'm sure they'll figure it out.
Need to do something if you are San Juan. 8 seconds to go. Jumper had a clean look on that one. Deep corner, good line.
Right.
Pero ang bola, babalik ulit dito sa San Juan with 2.4 remaining.
Oh, good effort there. Multiple efforts by Lazo. First yung kanyang attempted putback. Hindi tumama na rin, but he was able to force a held ball.
And now we will enter the fourth quarter with JVM successfully making their comeback after trailing most of our first and second quarter. Ngayon, meron na silang 4-point lead, 60-56. Tignan natin if San Juan Ballers can regain the momentum or magtuloy-tuloy na itong JVM. Yan ang ating aabangan dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2.
Oh, ano nga. What? Bakit ka pupunta doon at kausap mo? Una-una, you have to be careful dahil minuptitan yung kausap mo. Hindi ka pwede mag-thread dyan kung may issue siya doon sa play.
Fourth quarter action. 4-point lead for the guys in blue.
Right.
Jumper for the first shot ng fourth quarter to a miss for JVM.
Oh, Lazo in trouble there. Should have given up, well, at least looked for his guards, no?
Grabe yung third quarter natin, Eman. Ang daming nangyari.
Oh, yes.
You know, talagang
Definitely.
all of that happened in 10 basketball minutes.
Yes.
Grabe yung mga napanood natin, but the end result of which itong JVM nakabalik na dito sa ating laro.
Oh!
Big three-pointer to start the fourth.
The simple play of using a pick to put up a three-point shot,
And
capitalized by Gatela.
Will force a turnover and a counter steal by the white shirts. Ever since nangyari yung altercation kanina,
Yes.
doon nawala yung momentum
Yes.
talaga on the side of San Juan. Ever
Yes.
since then, hindi tayo makakita na clean look. Pablo is in. He looks to be okay, but that shot is a miss.
Right?
Offensive rebound, titira, hard shot.
Right. That
Running
was
start again
a bit
for
forced.
JVM. 17 seconds to work with. Nice spin. Ooh, ang ganda.
Oh, travel. Gatela was called for the travel.
Oh, everything but that basket. Sasabihin ko sana parang holy na ginulong lang eh.
my.
Pero Gatela was called for a travel.
Oh,
A
that was
close
a backward
It is
violation.
a backward violation.
Poor awareness by Sampaga there on where his teammate was
Talagang
in the first place when he received the ball. Dito sa corner of the midcourt, you can't hold on to it. It's either you move or you pass it.
oo.
Otherwise, you'll get trapped.
And that's what happened on that last play. 7-point lead. Nice move. Extra pass.
Well, that chuckle was because of the again the long Antetokounmpo strides that was attempted there by Gatela, considering that he just got called for the travel, no?
Oo.
Oh, lucky break.
Pablo. Right place at the right time para dito kay Carl Pablo.
And good job by Pagadon to not give up on the play even if he virtually lost the ball. Well, momentarily lost the ball there.
On the other side, itong si JP Ventura, nagkakaroon na ng buwelo. He really knows now how to operate in this defense.
Right.
Kasi kapag dun lang siya sa baba, medyo mahirap eh. Pero pag may buwelo siya, he can see some advantage. Gatela with a miss on that three-point shot.
Right. He hit one earlier from the other side. So he
Looking
tried
to-
it on the right side.
Yeah, looking to answer. Speaking of which, goes for the try, finds an opening.
Oh, that's sorry, missed by Pagador. Not enough English.
Story of this game, pero yun, ang kadali lang. Kung
And it's
gaano
a-
kahirap yung tira na
Yes.
yun ni Pagador, ganon kadali ang
Yes.
tira ni Gatela.
Cross court.
Thought about that shot. Good read by the defense.
Right.
Ventura, inabangan lang yung tira
Yes.
doon. 6:45 remaining. Gatela has scored all points para dito sa JVM, dito sa fourth.
Travel.
Traveling nga lang ang tawag doon on the other side. 7-point lead here, 65-58.
JP Ventura is, actually is winded, asking if he was the one being subbed out, no? Parang gusto niya magpahinga ng konti dito.
Kasi ang dami niyang activity dito.
Yes, but he's the one carrying his team right now on the floor.
And now, more opportunities here. A lot of time para dito sa San Juan. Will send it here. Balik sa labas. A 3 that will not drop. Fight for the rebound. Kanina lumalamang itong San Juan dun sa mga rebounds na yun. Pero Prince Mendoza, that time he won't miss.
Yes.
Grabe yung pagka-slice ni Mendoza, finding that open lane. Gently rolling the ball in, 67-58, 9-point lead to the cheers ng JVM supporters. And this timeout is brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp, Enjoy and Smile. Or 67-58 is the score. Turnover after that timeout. Alam natin, Eman, na that is a no-no for every coach. After that timeout, you force a turnover. Eto, this would hurt if this goes in. And it does.
Definitely.
Big three-point shot. That is Jude Kalipay. Naka-turnover ka na, nagbigay ka pa ng 3 points on the other side.
And Kalipay, instant offense para dito sa JVM squad, knocking down that wide open elbow 3 from the right.
Now the lead has ballooned to 12. Kanina itong San Juan ang merong 7-point lead.
Yes.
Naikot ang laban. They are now trailing by 12. Answering back. A big 3 para dito kay Marcus Dar.
Right.
Gatela with 5 minutes 15 remaining. Sends it on the right wing. Ventura spins. Passes it on that side. Could it hit the basket? Agloro just grabbing the ball off that block.
What a defensive play once more by Rainiel Agloro. But Gatela is there. Got called for the out of bounds violation.
Tuloy-tuloy lang yung sigaw ng mga nanonood dito, kaya kahit tayo minsan di natin naririnig yung pito. Buti nga sinabi mo nag-step out of bounds, kundi tuloy-tuloy ako magsasalita doon.
And basically, it is the fans na dumayo all the way probably from Cavite and Lipa, Batangas, no?
Usually yun talaga yung mga
yes,
all out dito. A 3 by Carl Pablo. That time it goes to the right. Rebound secured here by this JVM squad. Drop
good
pass,
defense
Agloro
once more.
again. Reads that one perfectly.
And finds a teammate.
Pagador gives it.
Good defense there.
Both back won't go, pero titira.
Wow, what a stop. One stop after another. First on the side of San Juan, it was through the efforts of Ravilo and Agloro, and on the other end naman, yes, the transition defense solidly implemented by JVM. Kaya lang at the last moment yon, they committed a foul.
Navasca.
Yep.
Couldn't hit the first free throw. Sasabihin ko sana, Eman, ang bilis lang nung from 10 minutes to 6 minutes natin Tapos pagtingin ko 4 minutes 16 na because the defense is now ramping up for both teams. 70-61, now a 9-point lead as high as 12. A 3 again. That time off to the left, offensive rebound. That will drop.
And that's what happens if Rainiel Agloro is the one who has to close up on the three-point shooter, no?
Speaking of Agloro, he wants the ball on the left block.
And luckily, actually, for San Juan, that they weren't able, well, it was almost a traveling violation.
Kanina.
Was that number 24.
That is Pagador.
Yeah, Christian Pagador. Umipit yung ball, no? Sa likod niya.
Oh, he was attempting a behind-the-back dribble.
Though our officials probably thought that he never lifted his pivot foot.
Navasca missing a 3. Sends it out dito kay Lara.
Oh, good
Jumper,
baseline.
Laza I should say, and he hits the floater.
Good read there by Lazo. Not finding an open teammate to kick out to. Decides to take it strong via baseline.
Mendoza sends it on the right side. Still a 9-point lead on the side of JVM. Didiscarte, drive, that will go in. Yung mga tira kanina ng JVM na ganun, hindi pumapasok Eman on the first half of action. Pero since nakuha nila ang momentum, they are now getting those easy baskets. Navasca, good defense on the side of JVM. They will recover. Good hustle right there by Jude Kalipay.
Right, and frustration written all over the face of Fagloro because he was wide open on the other side and his teammates, as big as he is, wasn't able to find him.
Speaking of which, napakagandang sagot na naman that time. I believe that is Villanueva.
Yes.
On that last defensive side.
And on the part of Carl Pablo, he was going up against 3 defenders in that last play.
And napansin ko na naman dun, Eman, medyo mabagal na naman yung kanyang pag-lift off kanina.
Well, he implemented the slow Lucas step, no? Pero against 3 defenders, I believe it was best na hintayin mo naman yung kakampi mo.
But he was on that.
And he was pulled out of the game.
Maybe because of that, or maybe, you know, dahil kinakramps na ulit siya, which is a really hard thing to see if you are San Juan. And kanina you are firmly in control. Pagador has been quiet dito sa ating second half.
I actually want to see more of Marcos Dar, no? Oh, and there you go. Good move, yeah.
That time
Lazo.
it is Dave Lazo scoring last 2 minutes time dito sa ating final game of this Sunday. 65-74, 9-point lead. JVM looking for the kill. Exacto 100 seconds sided in the fourth.
Right.
Jumper by Gatela.
That could be the dagger.
Ang linis eh.
Yes. Oh, travel.
There you go. You hit a basket, you force a turnover on the other side. So ito, pag na-shoot nila ito, this will really make their case strong to win this game.
Pagador that time doing a a LeBron two-step before the dribble move. And got called for, of course, the walk.
76-65. JVM melting the clock, waiting for the right opportunity to attack.
Good
Ventura drops that baby in. To your point, good pass by Gatela.
And Gatela, even with the miscues and even with the argument with the coaches early in this game, no, he is now making excellent decisions during crunch time.
Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift, he shook it off. He shook it off. Yung nangyari kay Gatela, hitting those big baskets. I believe he has 7 in this fourth quarter.
That's right, alone, fourth quarter alone.
11-point lead, 78-67. A minute 3 remaining. And this time out is brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, and smile. Final 63 seconds dito sa ating laro. Breaking free, Prince Mendoza.
I was wrong. That was the dagger.
A lot of daggers
Yes.
in the final minute of basketball. Nagsimula yan dun sa jumper ni Gatela. They
Yes.
force a turnover dito kay Pagador, and this is one of, again, the potential daggers in this game.
Because this is a back-breaking play completed here by Mendoza, especially if he if he completes the three-point play. However, he does not. Pero, yeah, the lead has ballooned to 12.
13-point
Oh,
lead.
check
At yun
that.
nga, matatawagan sila ng traveling
13,
on the
yeah.
other side. Talking about itong San Juan, they completely lost all momentum
Right.
ever since that altercation kanina.
Yes.
They were really in this game, in pace, no, to be close. Yun nga lang, mawawala sa kanila dito. Pagador just lays the ball in. Still an 11-point game.
Right.
Will they force an error? May tulak na tawag dito kay Dave Lazo.
No, Dave Lazo, you have to hand it to the kid. The effort was there, and he is actually a good compliment to the defense, to the inside presence nitong si Rainiel Agloro, no?
Oo. Pero simula nung inatake ni Ventura itong depensa ni
Yes.
Agloro. And speaking of Rich, just putting in the finishing touches of this game.
Right on cue, JP. Oh,
And another steal, a lot of turnovers behind his back. Maybe a bit fancy on that
Right.
last play.
right.
Final 24 seconds.
And they still can't find Agloro. All alone, no one the defense not really near him, and still, and look at the frustration painted all over Rainiel's face. No?
Talagang, ang dami, hindi lang siya isang beses kasi
Yes,
nangyari in this game,
yes.
Eman. It has done, or it has happened a lot of times.
I mean, they were feeding him early on in this game, no? Pero for some reason, during crunch time, kung kailan crunch time na nga, no? Saka siya hindi nakikita.
Tough basket goes in para dito sa San Juan. Final 15 remaining in this game. Almost a travel, but is a steal. Easy basket.
There's Dar.
Ooh, Dar missing on that play. A frustrating loss
Right,
on the side of San Juan Ballers. Nakikita ko yung mga players nila. The body language says it all on the side. Agloro receiving the ball, maybe really too late, a quarter too late in this game.
Definitely.
JVM completes that comeback
Yes.
and winning it in a very, very convincing fashion.
Yes.
Grabe yung action na nakita natin. It was really a close game.
Right.
First quarter, medyo umaarangkada pa itong San
San Juan.
Juan Ballers on that second. Just like the game before this one, Eman. Lumamang ng una itong San Juan. Second quarter, bumalik itong JVM, cutting the lead to 6. Tapos
Yes.
pagpalo mo ng third quarter, dun na nagdire-diretso ang
Right.
momentum. At again, this win by JVM is big for them, lalong-lalo na. No ba, uuwi pa sila dun sa
Yes.
kanilang mga home bases.
At least masaya
Oo.
yung ride home, no?
Meanwhile, for San Juan, again, having early control, they will look back at this game. Marami silang matututunan dito.
Right.
No, again, we have pointed it out a million times in this game, yung kay Agloro.
Right.
He had that
right.
impact dun sa opening quarter. Dun na napahirapan itong si Ventura.
And when they were looking for Agloro inside, that is when they built a 10-point lead, no, a double-digit lead against JVM.
Special mention ko rin, Carl Pablo.
Yes.
Medyo
Carl
nung
Pablo.
nagka-experience siya ng cramps, dun siya bumagal.
Right.
Yung kanyang performance, and I believe I will now be interviewing our best player of the game.
Right. And before Baron gets a hold of our Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, I would like to say my thanks. Maraming salamat po mga kaliga for joining us this game day. 10 games, hindi po biro yun. Maraming salamat po for following Junior MPBL Pocket League. And yes, right now my partner Baron, well, on behalf of him, this has been Eman Cabiles. Thank you very much, and please do stand by as our Chef's Magic Player of the Game is with my partner Baron.
Ang ilang panalo nyo na ito? 3 straight wins. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2 at kasama natin ang ating Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, JP Ventura. JP, congratulations, no? Pangatlong panalo nyo na to. Isa sa mga pinakamahirap na laro para sa inyo dahil naghabol kayo nung simula. Ano yung naging reminder sa inyo ni Coach para makuha tong panalo na to?
Lagi lang mainig sa kanya sa mga utos niya. Sa mga utos niya sa akin depensa lang muna, depensa lang.
Andito na yung mga kakampi mo. Ito yung camera natin. Pwede kang mag-shout out sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa inyo.
Salamat sa JBM Management saka kay boss sa girlfriend ko na lagi na sumusuporta sa akin. Kila sa Team Batang Kalye, kila Coach Pipo, kay Kuya Dumo. Kila Tito Danny, yun lang po. Tsaka sa mga kampi ko po.
Again, congratulations to JP Ventura at sa JVM for winning their third game. At sa ngalan po ni Justin Almeda, John Mahari, Eman Cabiles at sa bumubuo ng Junior MPBL. Maraming salamat po. Baron Mercado saying thank you and see you sa future games ng Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2.
Liga ng bayan at